Hello everyone, how are you? Hopefully always given health, always yes. Back again with us, namely Save Us. On this occasion, we will make a presentation about the campaign Ramadan Hydro Coco, namely Kemana Kelapanya. For the first time, we will introduction me, Sari Septina Fajrianti, then there is
Karestino Dwi Janti Putra.
And I, Muhammad Vicky Alamsyah.
Hello, my name is Nova Hanif.
Hello, and my name is Eki Ramadan.
Okay, let's just move on. The result of the research, Ikatan Lembaga Mahasiswa Gizi Indonesia, 84,7 people have less fluid intake and 15,3 people have adequate fluid intake. So it can be seen that more students are dehydrated than students who are not hydrated. This is due to decent activity and in general they only consume fluid when they feel thirsty. Next. And we did some research. We conducted research analysis and isotonic hydrococco drink via Google Form, which were distributed to our relative, and the result obtained were 66 people who filled out the form. From the result obtained, 98,5 know about hydrococco product, while the rest do not know about it. Next. And these are some of the results, the answer of the form fillers yesterday. Next. And this is product benefit from hydrococco. For the N1, replacing body fluids. 2, as antioxidant, vitamin A, C, and E, and in it function to neutralize toxins in the body. And 3, protection from nature, because coconut water contains lauric acid, which increase immunity and protects the body from virus and bacteria around us. And next, nutritious. Amino acid level is coconut water are very high. And next, so many vitamins in coconut water such as vitamin C, E, A, B3, B5, and B6 are also minerals that function for our body such as potassium, calcium, and sodium. And the next, helps digestion. And the last, coconut water is also fat-free.
Okay, inside problems. Byproduct inaccurate like hydrococco is a fake original coconut water drink, even though there is a mixture of ingredients in hydrococco, so it's not real coconut water by consumer. According to the survey result, the average Indonesia rarely do sport coconut what is quite high in sodium. This content might not be dangerous for most people who were from someone with high blood pressure and this coconut water. Inside problems by direct competitor. Competition in the isotonic befriends business in getting first, such as Pocari Sweat, Mizon, UC1000, and ISO Plus. Currently, Pocari Sweat is focusing on work on the isotonic drink market talk sport. Inside of opportunities by product, isotonic drink are getting hot, such as Pocari Sweat, Mizon, UC1000, and ISO Plus. Currently, Pocari Sweat is focusing on work on the isotonic drink market, the talk sport. by customer. The taste of hydro cocoa is very fitting and affordable price. By indirect competitor, the benefit provided are proportional on the price in should help nutrition functioning in the body.
Big Idea Campaign, hashtag kemana kelapanya, and hashtag berkah si kelapa. In this campaign, because it is in the month of Ramadan, sharing a very positive and helpful activity for those in need. By carrying out the packaging content, by displaying the coconut object on the packaging or hydro cocoa design, so that consumer ask a question and are curious about why the obligatory object in hydro cocoa is missing. After we run the packaging content because the coconut is different for sharing. Lost in cyberspace, exit in the real world. Objective. The purpose of this campaign is to share with the concept of packaging content on an Instagram account by removing the coconut object, which is an important object of the cocoa hydro band itself, which aim to make the audience interest and curious about the content. After that, he carried out activity to share takjil and hydro cocoa. Target audience demographic age 14 and 15. Gender female and male. Economy intermediate and upper. Location national. Interest participant in positive activity, trying a new lifestyle, looking for interesting thing. Behavior humble and like to chat, active in social media and social activities. Toner and manner. We ask color palette. There is blue, white, black, and green. And font, language, Spartan, and glacial indifference. Image mapping, hydro cocoa, and target audience, and product hydro cocoa, and tree, and last, coconut. Mood board, resolving idea. Find a balance that will always be a priority for our visual brain to make it easy to understand and provide accurate information. And for your target, the target market character that hydro cocoa is aiming for is the productive at between the age of 25 to 35 years. Therefore, the key visual in the last DVC hydro cocoa is to communicate that hydro cocoa has a unique way for those who drink it by eliminating the dark design. Get the picture? Providing a visual effect in the month of Ramadan by distributing takjil to motorcycling who are experiencing traffic jam. And we have the hashtag kemana kelapanya. Be consistent, stay focused on a healthy lifestyle, and do positive activity.
And we get into the example mood board. There's a beach, and then sky, and then the green leaf, and the forest, and the flower. Because There's a dominance of blue and green because the color is fresh. Next, we get into the main content of our campaign is social media content, which is in Instagram. There's the first is opening the campaign with selamat menunaikan ibadah puasa. It means happy fasting for us. And then the packaging, in the packaging, the coconut is, there's no coconut in the packaging because we want to audience to ask where is the coconut, and then we can answer in the main event or main campaign at the end of the campaign. The second content is Raih Berkah bersama Hydro Coco. It means we get the essence of the Ramadan with Hydro Coco. Next, the third content is cocok untuk berbuka puasa. It means Hydro Coco is rehydrate or hydrating our body with the coconut water. The next Instagram feeds is apa aja kebaikan air kelapa buat kesehatan kita. It means what the hydro coco or the coconut water benefits for our body in Ramadan. There's an infographic for our audience. So the audience is not bored. Stay tuned on our Instagram account. The next is ceritain momen-momen puasa kalian. It means we want to get engagement from audience. So the audience tell the experience of a Ramadan experience or fasting experience. And we still put the hydro coco packaging with no coconut in there. The next content is question and answer or question for audience about what's the word on the last post in our Instagram. So the audience can answer it in comment section below. Next, this is the answer of the this is audience asking for where is the coconut. So we highlight the question from audience, and then the next content is mau tahu kelapanya di mana, and then we stay tuned. The audience must stay tuned on our Instagram account. So, and the last content is main content or main campaign with Jumat Berkah bersama Hydro Coco. The campaign is we sharing takjil and then Hydro Coco for opening for fasting. And there is the real Hydro Coco packaging with coconut. The answer, this is the answer of a question from our opening campaign. Next, the storyboard.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Noval. This is our storyboard for Hydro Coco. In the first, in the afternoon, and going to open fasting. And the second is situation so traffic so jam. And the emotion the rider is want to going to sharing agenda, and the first scene is agenda is ambil kelapanya di sini, is sharing takjil takjil with hydrococo. And the five scene we see the is going to get the takjil in front of him. This is a dialogue. Uh, this is a dialogue. Riders and the people. Instagram final main campaign is Jumatkah bersama Hydrococo. This is our calendar plan. In the idea 1, marhaban ya Ramadan Hydrococo. In idea 2, kemana kelapanya ya? In idea 3, kebaikan air kelapa for informational. For inspirational, tubuh tetap terhidrasi, our audience, and berbagi kelapa hydrococo. For fun and entertaining, selamat berbuka puasa, Q&A, si kelapa, cerita tentang puasa. Business and campaign is opening campaign, cocok untuk berbuka puasa and raih keberkahan. Next. And this is a calendar plan of the month. In April, we choose the day is Wednesday and Saturday. And the day is holiday event is selamat menunaikan ibadah puasa, like Naufal Hanif share in the mock-up design. And the content focus for information is ongoing to Instagram. And the Saturday is cocok berbuka puasa, content focus for business and campaign, and ongoing to Instagram. Next, and the next week we choose Wednesday and Saturday too. Next, and the third week we choose a Wednesday and Saturday too for Q&A. Next, and the final in fourth week we answer the Q&A, and for Wednesday stay tuned informational ongoing Instagram, and Friday is a final hour campaign inspirational ongoing to Instagram. Thank you.
Okay, so many of us, more or less, we will say sorry. And we are from Save As Agency. Say goodbye and thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.